Hi everyone, so welcome to another affiliate marketing guide video. In this video, I will show you again another untapped niche in Clickbank that you can use to earn money. So this new niche, it's not new, but it's untapped means not too many people are, you know, using this niche to earn money. And what I like about this is it's very cost effective because you will be surprised or you will be happy with what I will be showing you, how much the cost per click if you advertise this niche using our popular Microsoft ads, which is very easy to use and can earn lots of money if it's used correctly. So what I'm going to show you here is if we go to Clickbank and we click on we search container. So this is the niche that I've been telling you that hasn't been discovered by lots of affiliate marketing. So as you can see, this niche is selling. So as you can see, the gravity we've got here 2.95, 10.91, 5.88, 0.4. It's quite low. It's not bad. So I think we can go ahead with this one. So it's basically a building a house with the use of container, shipping container as the material. So it's basically a shipping container home. So if we take a look at the sales page, okay. So as you can see, they got video here, a nice presentation, and they've got information here that will probably help motivate the visitors to purchase the manual. It's not actually you're selling the shipping container itself, but the guide on how you can build a shipping container home using this material. Okay, so the sales page looks pretty decent, and what I'm going to show you here it's a keyword that you'll be able to use to advertise this clickbank product. So we go over to our keyword tool in Microsoft Ads, and we type in here shipping container. Okay, and then hit on get suggestion. Okay, and now we click this tab, keyword suggestions, and we sort this based on the suggested bid. Okay, now as you can see here, this is we will find keywords. We need to find keywords that are related to the product that we'll be promoting here. Okay. Okay. So here, okay, to make this faster, what we can do here is shipping container home. Type exactly what we need. Okay. Okay. Shipping container. Okay. House plans for shipping containers. It's a really good keyword, a selling keyword. But as you can see, the volume is not too high, and it's quite a lot. What we've been looking here is at least less than 20 cents per click, and got a I always giving tip here on my channel is we need to have a high volume of monthly search. And if you see here, shipping container homes for sale, so this is not what we need, but if you have a look at this one, shipping container homes. So this is a really good selling keyword. As you can see, we've got 6,380 monthly searches, really good number of volume, and 0.65. This cost per click is okay. Unfortunately, the product here is just 30.6. So imagine, because our benchmark is to send at least 100 visitors and make at least one sale. Okay, so if we send 100 visitor with a 0.65 times 100, we will be spending $65, and unless you're going to sell three products which will have $90, which will earn us $90, so we still have a profit of um, we can still get 90 minus 65. We still can keep profit of $25. But our benchmark is to have at least one sale per 100 visitors. So that's the safest benchmark of that we can put here in our offer. If you cannot make at least one sale in 100 visitors, then there must be something that you need to adjust in your campaign. Based on my experience, just by sending 100 visitors, I can at least make one sale. That I can guarantee to you as long as you set up your landing page and your campaign correctly. And if you're lucky, you can get 2 or 3 sales. So what we need to look at here is if we can profit from the product that we're going to promote based on the uh, cost per click in Microsoft Ads. This is because this is the advertising network that we are going to use. So we can find other. So grab your notepad. All right. Make sure we list all the keywords that we found. I'll go to next page. Okay. So here, can go to next page. Okay. All right. Now here, container house. So this is one of a good keyword candidate, and as you can see, it has got 1100 search volume. Okay. So we can take that as one of our keyword. Okay, so now let's move on. Shipping container 40 feet. Um, uh, Cost per click is okay, but the keyword itself is not directly what we are offering, because what we offer here is a manual, is a guide on how they can build. Okay, so look at this container home. Again, this is a really good keyword, even though it's not a direct selling, but look at that 0.09. If you send like 100 visitor, it will just cost you $9. And there's a really good chance of sending 200 to 300 visitors, you will get at least one sale. Okay, and look at the volume per the average volume per month. It's 2650. It's absolutely a good keyword to make a sale out of this keyword and the offer we will be using from Clickbank. And look at this home shipping containers, exactly what we are offering. Unfortunately, it only has 20 search volume, so it's not a good candidate. But okay, I think that's it. But you get the idea, right, guys? So what we're looking is, a pretty good candidate of keywords which have got low cost per click and nice, decent number of monthly search volume. So in that way, we can always make a sale. I assure you, based on my experience, sending 100 visitors will at least make me one sale. If not, there's something wrong in your campaign. Okay, so now we have here these keywords. Okay, uh, remember these. Don't limit yourself with just these two keywords. Even though it has got 20, 90, 30 search volume, you can use all this. Okay, you can use all this, copy and paste everything and use them in your campaign. Once you have that in your campaign, what you can do is Microsoft Ads will give you an estimate on how much visitor you can have based on the keywords you have entered. Okay, so it doesn't mean that I just put this, I'll just get to 650. This is just an estimate. Okay, remember there could be an update that these keywords could be having like already 500 volume searches per month. So if you don't try, you won't know. Okay, but remember the idea is sending at least 100 visitors with cheap cost per click and a decent product from Clickbank, which you can earn. So this amount is great one, $30. So imagine sending 100 visitors and just spending like 20 or $30 and making 2 to 3 sales. It's a good profit per day. Okay, so and now we're going to make a campaign. Remember, every time you make a campaign in Microsoft Ads, it's more effective if we use landing page. Again, what we have to do here is create a landing page using I always tell you, the PagePro.com. Okay, so the PagePro.com, as you know, it's a free landing page creator. Okay, so this is the website, the PagePro.com. I always use this in every video that I make to make a campaign to promote to make a Clickbank product, to promote a Clickbank product. It's a very effective landing page creator. In 1-2 minutes, you don't have to spend so much time in creating landing page. So once you have an account, so I have a full video on how to create a landing page using the pagepro.com. If you want to check that, just check in my channel. So this is for free. Like in 2-3 minutes, you will create your very nice landing page. So let's sign in into my account to show you some of the landing pages that I created using the pagepro.com. So as you can see, it's very decent looking. As you can see here, so this has got only the um, article, but if you want to look at the uh, one of the comprehensive landing page. So you can get here bullet points and image here. At the same time, you can have an article here, okay, which will justify your offer and make your visitor click this. Okay, so directly you can use this URL to promote using Microsoft Ads. So it's very easy to use. So what you just need to do is click on create. I have a full video, as I can see here. Once you sign in, you sign up for an account. It's free. Sign up for 1 minute. That's it. Just verify your account. Once you're confirmed, your account is confirmed, just click this link in the homepage. Okay, sign in, and then you will see this link and watch the video. It's very easy to use. Okay, you can also check on my channel on some of the video that I was promoting Clickbank products. I've been on the spot making landing pages. Okay, it's very easy. In 1 to 2 minutes, telling you, you can create really good landing pages like this. Okay, so just head over to the pagepro.com. Okay, so remember, before you create a campaign in Microsoft Ads, use a landing page. Okay, so that's it for now, guys. So hopefully you follow my channel, and let's learn together. And I'll give you more tips if I find something else regarding a cost-effective keywords and product that you can use from Clickbank. Okay, so that's about it, guys. Thanks for watching.